Are you thinking about selling your Glendale home but wondering if you should sell it as is or make some repairs or fix it up first? Imagine saving time, money, and stress and still get a great price by selling it as is. That's what I'm here to help you figure out today. If this sounds like you, you're in the right place. Whether you're moving to a new city, downsizing, or just ready for a change, I'll help you decide the best approach for selling your Glendale home. And trust me, you're not alone. Just last month, I helped a family right here in Glendale who needed to sell quickly but didn't want the stress of renovations. We sold their home as is, and they were thrilled to get multiple offers within days, allowing them to move on quickly without the headaches of repair and work. I'm Dave Robles, and over the years, I've helped hundreds of homeowners in Glendale make the right choice for their unique situation. So if you're ready to dive in, stick around as we go over the pros, the cons, and some insider tips to help you decide if selling as is right for you. I often say the typical home that's a candidate for an as-is sale has three potential values. There's the price you can sell it for tomorrow, meaning the amount it would sell for if we put a sign out front and just started showing it the way it looks right now. Now it can sell, but you may not like the price. And then there's the price the house can sell for if it was totally redone. Imagine it with new kitchens and new baths. The thing is, it would take a small fortune and many months to do that kind of work. And that's what we're trying not to do. Then there's the price the home can sell for with some strategic and minor changes, then selling it as is. And that's what we're talking about today. So let's dive into the pros and cons of selling your Glendale home as is. First up, the pros. Selling as is can be a real time saver without having to worry about repairs or upgrades. You can get your home on the market fast, which is ideal if you're looking for a quick move or want to avoid the hassle of contractors and projects. And hey, in a busy market like Glendale, sometimes getting a home listed sooner saves time, and time is money. Another big plus is the upfront cost savings. You're not spending tens of thousands of dollars on renovations, which means you get to keep that money in your pocket. And believe it or not, some buyers in Glendale like as-is homes and are on the hunt for homes that they can put their own personal touch on. So there is a built-in audience for as-is properties. Now let's talk about the cons. While there are buyers who like homes that aren't totally done, the buyer pool for as-is homes is a bit smaller. Some buyers may prefer a move-in ready home, and that means fewer offers can come in. And when that happens, the offers you do receive might be lower because buyers factor in the cost of those needed repairs. Another consideration, the perception of an as-is sale. Some buyers might think, what's wrong with it, especially if it feels too much like a big fixer-upper. But we can turn that around with great marketing and by disclosing any known issues up front with a pre-listing inspection. Being transparent about the condition of the home helps potential buyers feel confident and makes the whole process smoother. All right, here are some tips for selling as is successfully in Glendale. Number one, that pre-listing inspection. We often recommend doing a pre-listing inspection. This gives you and the buyer clarity on the home's condition so there are no surprises during negotiations. I always say, nobody likes surprises in an escrow. Buyers appreciate honesty, and being upfront about any issues can actually help you get stronger offers. Number two, consider small cosmetic updates. If you want to boost your chances without going all in on renovations, think about small changes like what I call eyesore repairs, usually with some fresh paint and some staging. A fresh coat of paint and well-staged rooms can work wonders and help buyers see the home's potential. We've had clients whose paint and staging efforts added tens, heck, even hundreds of thousands of dollars to the final sales price. It is the best ROI a homeowner can do. If you're serious about selling your Glendale home as is, but find some of this very overwhelming, or if you'd just rather have someone guide you step by step, do not hesitate to reach out. I'm here to make this as simple as possible for you. Tip number 3, address financing related repairs. Some issues, like obvious plumbing or roofing issues, could make it tough for buyers to get financing. If you're serious about getting the highest possible offer, taking care of some of those types of repairs can make the sale easier and attract more traditional buyers who want to buy with a loan. Ultimately, the decision to sell as is or make repairs depends on your goals and what makes the most sense for your situation. Selling as is can be a great route to save time and money, and sometimes a few simple fixes can increase your final sales price and broaden your buyer pool. So, like I said, this is what I do. I've helped hundreds of homeowners here in Glendale make the best choice for their properties, and I'd be happy to do the same for you. If you'd like to talk through your options and see what approach would work best for your home, just give me a call or send me a message. Thanks so much for watching, and I look forward to helping you get the most out of your home sale here in Glendale.